Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. If your Mitsubishi AC remote is not working or not responding, it can be really frustrating, especially when you can't control the temperature or turn the AC on during hot weather. Many users think the remote is completely dead, but in most cases the problem is something simple, like weak batteries, signal issues, or a minor internal glitch. Sometimes the remote works only occasionally, or not at all, which makes it confusing. The good thing is that with a few quick checks and fixes, you can get your Mitsubishi AC remote working again without needing to replace it. Try these. Step 1. Replace the remote batteries with fresh ones. Step 2. Check for any obstructions between remote and AC unit. Step 3. Ensure you are pointing the remote directly at the AC sensor. Step 4. Press different buttons to check if any response occurs. Step 5. Reset the remote by removing batteries for a few minutes. Step 6. Test the remote again and confirm proper working.